Yo, what's going on, guys? I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Welcome back. It's me, Blake, back with another video. Today we are reviewing my overall review of the Axial SCX24 Deadbolt. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So this truck is a very good truck. I do recommend it a lot. First, let's start off with our transmitter. Just a basic AX4, 2.4 gigahertz. The cool thing with it is that this little thing latches down and it flaps out, and you got your steering trim. Probably should put that to 0 a little bit. It's super easy to set it. You have your throttle trim. It's low, medium, and high. Channel 3 if you want to add some lights in the back of your vehicle. Channel 1 is to turn off the servo or turn it on. This channel 1 is actually the motor, and your bind, on, off, and this is your servo, I think. I'm not sure what that is actually. But yeah, so let's go with the car. The car is very good looking. I've already done a couple mods to it. Originally it looks like this, but I will show you what I did to make it a little bit higher and lifted and more clearance. So yeah, let's see what's under the hood. So you have these pins, little rubber piece. It's very easy to take off. All you gotta do is just pull it. And then the cool thing is that this thing hinges. Very basic layout. Your ESC and receiver is built in one, so it saves space. But I wish they did do 2 separate because it would add more weight to the crawler. That's one downside with crawlers, that if you're trying to work on a side hill like at a 45 on the side of your truck, so you have the 45 like this, it tends to flip over. So if you have some weight like on the wheels, or even in here, it would hold up way better. Our battery is a reaction 350 milliamp 2S 30 cell 7.4 volt. Just basic. Battery does last a while. Let's see, and then we have some classic Velcro for our battery. Super easy. Our motor, this is what really shocked me. It's super small. So, but yeah, our tires are very, very supple. Shock, there is no preload in the shock, but that kind of is better for articulation. So it stays better and then it just goes right back, so we go back quicker. Let's go over suspension. You have 4-link suspension. Pretty basic. I was expecting this kind of suspension. Yeah. I think you have differential, I'm not quite sure, but the lights, so you turn on the crawler, and the lights will come on, but I don't have the battery in right now. These lights are very bright, you will see here in a little bit. What I did to actually give it more clearance is normally there would be the shock would be here, but I took a screw out right here and put that screw there, so I wouldn't have to put it in a separate bag and risk losing it. And so what I did is just moved it down there, and I did the same with everything. So yeah, that is the very basic overview. The body, super durable. I do like the little guy you have in there. I did, shout out to RC Sparks. What I did is I flipped this. It's actually RC Athletes. Lyle is one of RC Adventure's good buddies. I flipped this, and it's a simple little, kind of like a shock tower. This just slides out in notches, and you take these screws out, and before it was the other way. But yeah, the servo, super small servo, sounds really good. So yeah, and I almost forgot, your charger is very basic, 7.4 volt charger, 2S capable, and battery just plugs in super simple like that. Micro USB plug-in, just plugs in like this, and then you got your standard USB. So yeah guys, that is the full overview. I hope you had a good day. I hope tomorrow is better than today. Thanks for watching, and let's roll to the crawling. Okay, so I'm out here in my backyard with the Axial Deadbolt. This thing performs really well. I'm very impressed. Of course, I did my research before I bought it. I didn't want to waste my money, and a lot of the people were very true about what they said. This is an outstanding rock crawler. It's hobby grade. It is 110 bucks. I got the extra battery just in case, but kind of regret getting it because this battery just has outstanding run times. I haven't actually ran it down, but I think it'll last probably around 30 minutes, give or take, maybe 25. But so yeah, let's go ahead and get to crawling. This thing performs really well. Check out that articulation, man. It's got a high and a low mode. Take it over a little obstacle. Maybe, maybe not. So, this crawler is really good if you're a beginner. I really like it a lot because you can drive it inside, you can drive it outside, you can make your own course with little to no money. So yeah, I really like the red look because like it just when the sunlight hits it, it just looks perfect. The little driver is very realistic. See, like, you can go over this PVC pipe I have over here, and you know, like, you can just do whatever you want. It's not a race. It's very enjoyable, very relaxing. Get to just watch the truck perform. Having a little fun there. So yeah, I'll make more videos on this. Maybe some comparisons, but yeah, overall this is a outstanding car. And so yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Yeah, see ya.